Hello friends, welcome back to PLC programming tutorial, and let's begin with the another latching question that we have is perform the same operation, that is latching and unlatching of Y0, where X0 is NO push button and X1 is NC push button. So here as you can see we have two push buttons and both are NO push buttons, and but in the figure we have to place a NC push button for the X1 contact, and for the X0 contact we have placed the NO push button. So we also have to replace this NC contact with the NO contact, because we have to do opposite changes, that when we apply or when we place a NO push button, then we have to place a NC contact, and when we have to place NC push button, then we have to apply or place a NO contact. So we have to do opposite changes over here, otherwise we will not acquire this type of configuration. So for that we have to remove this X1 push button and this also NC contact. Okay, so we have to go to electrical control JIC standards, and when I double click on this push button we get this normally closed push button, and then we have to drag and drop it over here like this. And we also need a NO contact, and for that go to ladder for AB PLC, and from here we have to take this NO contact and place it over here. So in the normal conditions the NC push button is in the true condition, whereas the NO contact is in the false condition because no signal is passing through it. So when I simulate this, it will come in the true condition. So now I have to associate this contact, this NC contact, with the input 1 like this, and we have done. Okay, so let's simulate it. Okay, so as you can see the NO contact is in the true condition because NC push button is already in the normal condition, it is in the true condition. So when I press the first NO push button, as you can see the output goes latched with this NO contact, which is parallel with the first NO contact, and to unlatch we have to press the push button and the output goes off like this. So when I press this push button, the input 1 contact, that is NO contact, goes off and the output goes off because the signal is cut off and the output coil is turned off. Simple. So when I released it again, the NO contact goes on again. So we have successfully done our second question. As you can see, when X0 is false, X1 is true and Y0 is false. So here we have X0 is in the false condition, whereas X1 is in the true condition, and Y0 is also in the false condition. And when I press this push button, the X0 is in the true condition, X1 is in the true condition, and Y0 is also in the true condition. And when I release it, the X1 is already in the true condition and Y0 is latched and it is in the true condition. So when I press the X1, that is when I turn off this contact, the output goes off. As you can see, the output goes off like this. When I press it, the output goes off, and when I release this push button, the NO contact goes on again. So we have successfully performed the second question. So I hope you have understand this question also. So let's meet up in the next video with another latching question. So thanks for watching.